Hi, this is Master Ken. In this video, I'll explain what is something that is useful. Yeah, hrdcorp has come up with a frequently asked questions on the allowable cost matrix and is prepared for good employers and training providers. So let's take a look at the content. So it explains about the allowance, about the e-learning, coaching and mentoring. So these are the something that is going to grow. So e-learning. So I want to talk about e-learning on page 12. So I'll just cut in 12 and perhaps, yeah, that's it. So that's the e-learning here, explain here and so on. So what does that mean, right? Let's just take a look here. So for example, my e-learning programs on Excel intermediate level. So it will be a 5 hours content. So a 5 hours content according to the document is that I can the maximum allowed is 490 per pax. So if I have 10 people sign up for that course itself, is then it will be 4,900. Okay, and this is the different scenario explained here. So if it's a 2 hour, let's say I have another program, it's only 2 hours time, then the cost fee would be if I charge the client 500, then the allowable is 140, because you can see here 2 hours 140, and so the balance, right, the employee have to pay. And then scenario 2, right, if the cost fee is this, so in other words that hrdcorp wants to make sure that the cost fee quoted by the training providers are within the limits, so there's a control set. And next thing is that I want to talk about is this. Now how much is my how many times is my cost for intermediate, right? So this is what I contain, and originally it was like this. And how do I get this data here is that I go to my my website here, and then the cost. So basically click on the intermediate level, and I'll have this list here. So I copy this and put it into Excel. Then I have an issue because I have all these items here. See, start, and I want to extract only this part here. So how do, and as over here I finally extracted it, and it's just only within a few seconds, right? That is because I know how to use Power Query to extract it rather than taking all of these one by one. So you have another way is well, if your boss asks you, okay, copy and then paste it here. So does that help you? That maybe no. So no, not really. See that? No. Well, unless you know how to use the regex. Other than that, Power Query is your good tools, right? But how do you extract this over here? And after that, you want to convert, you want to extract it to hours. That's is you're saying the hour function, and then minutes is minute functions, and finally you get the total hours, and then the total seconds, and you can use the convert function to convert it from seconds to minutes, right? This is minutes. So the total minutes will be 263 plus this, and then finally I use a convert function, minute to hours. So I talk about that in my these tools here. You can see that it's the same thing convert in my Microsoft Excel formula guide, right? I talk about it also. So you see how handy is that if you have the tools here, right? So that's it. This is an overview of how much that hrdcorp is allowed to charge, right? And guess what? Now it's a promotion time. I have my 3 level and just only under a rate of 59 per pax for a year, right? And you got to learn all this for this, and the promotion is going to be until 30 April, and that's all. And thanks for watching, and I hope that this is going to be a good deal for you, and you just learn how to how is what is the maximum allowed by hrdcorp. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Aisha. Together we excel before 50.